Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I edit my YouTube videos using VN editor. In the last video I did a walkthrough of how to use the VN editor in case anyone needs to give that a watch. I'll put a link to that in the description section of this video. So first things first, you just click on this plus icon and you select a new project. This is a video I'm going to post on my channel, so I need three basic things: my intro video, the main video, and the outro on my YouTube channel. So I'm just looking for it. So basically I just need 3 clips to get started. So this is my intro. I'll select the main video now. This is the video I'm about to edit. So I'll click on it and I'll look for my outro video as well. It should only take a minute. Okay, this is my outro. For this, I'm just going to click on this plus icon here and add the subtitle. I'm going to use a video title and just say video of the day, or let's say SD logo design, SD 3D logo design. Excellent. Okay, so this is the title of my video. I'm going to zoom and I'll increase it to about 5 seconds. Then next up, I'll add a clip, a photo clip of what I designed. So this is it. I'm also going to increase it to about 8 seconds. Then I'll duplicate and take this to the last part of the video before the outro. Okay, next up I will just put another subtitle. Open Pixel Lab subtitle, and I'll similarly increase it to 5 seconds. Okay. Then I can begin adding animations. For this, I'll just use a fade for the initial animation and transition, sorry. Then here I'll also use a fade, but I'll increase it to about 2.5 seconds. Then here I will use horizontal flip and increase all the way up. Okay, here I'm going to use a fade. Then lastly, I will use a vertical transition and increase to about 3 seconds. Next up, I will go to the end of the clip and do the same thing here. Okay, before then, I would like to trim down my video so it doesn't show where I stopped screen recording. So I'm just going to split and I'll delete this. Then I'll add in a transition of dissolve and increase to about 2 seconds. Then here I'll use a circular to transit to the outro of the video. And lastly, I'm just going to put a fade here. This is not important, but I'll just add it. Okay, I'm done with the transition aspect of this video. Next up, I will trim down some part of the videos. Okay, this part where, so you now have to see me scrolling through my pictures. I'll just leave it at the point when I've added the picture. This is just to reduce the time frame of the video, so I try as much as possible to keep my videos short so you get what you're looking for at the shortest possible time. So I'll do this for all the time I added the texture, to just keep to the important detail. Okay, I think I'm done with this aspect of my video editing. So next up, I'll add in like a video layer to show you, to tell my viewers to subscribe. And this is one of the more amazing part of this editor that I like, because it lets you add video layers on top of another, which is really helpful. So I'm just going to look for the subscribe green screen. And another awesome part about this editor is the use of green screen. So you can edit your videos and import video layers on green screen. This is a really awesome feature to use. So the Chroma Key Effect lets you select a background to delete. So if I hover around any of this, it will delete that background. So I'm doing this for a green screen. I want to delete all the green screen part of it. So I'll just select it, and you can see the green screen is gone. This is really awesome, and it's part of the things I love about this editor. So I'm going to add the volume. Then at another interval, I will add another. I'm going to add another video layer, another subscribe video layer. So I do this at intervals, so I don't spam you with subscribe. And this is highly reasonable to urge your viewers to subscribe to your channel, but you should be careful not to spam, because it will make a whole lot of people lose interest in your channel. So I'm just going to duplicate this and put at another interval. Then I'm almost done. This is the third part of my editing. After this, lastly, I will add in, since most of my videos are just screen recorded and there is no talk, there's no like a talk or a textual tutorial, so I just put a music background so it doesn't bore. And I've read some comments, a whole lot of you enjoy my choice of playlist, so I tend to update it from time to time. So next up, you just click on this import music and you import the music you want. And when doing for a YouTube video, you should be careful, because YouTube flags a whole lot of audios if you don't have the right permissions. So I'm going to put a link in the description section of this video to the channel I download copyright free audios that I use on my YouTube channel. I'm just going to look for audios I can use on my video. Okay, I'm going to use this. I'll set the fade in and fade out and reduce the volume to about 40%. Then I'll scroll to the end of the clip and add another audio, sorry. I'm going to import another audio. Similarly, I'll set a fade in and fade out and reduce the volume to about 40%. I'll also add another. So I'll scroll all the way and import another clip. Okay, I've added audios all through the clip of the video, and I think I'm done editing this video. So once you're done editing, you can just click on this export. Then you wait for your video to export. It's going to take a lot of time to export, so you can just keep your phone and do other things while you wait for it to export. So that's it about this video, guys. This is a quick walkthrough of how I edit my YouTube videos using VN Editor. As you can see, it didn't take me much to put up this video. So it's a really cool app, and I recommend anyone using it because it is free to use, and most importantly, it doesn't have a work permit. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.